in today's video, I am going on my very first mother and daughter trip. We went to Vaishno Devi and Vrindavan without any prior planning. So let's see how the trip went. Hi, I'm Shimli, and let's start this unplanned trip with a fist pump. And let's pray that this trip goes well. Honestly, we did not plan for this trip. We wanted to go somewhere else, but I guess our time to visit Vaishno Devi has finally arrived, so we had to answer the call and go. Ma wanted to visit Vaishno Devi for years, ever since I can remember. She always wanted to go there, and I knew that she'll be very, very, very happy after this trip. So we took this last minute call and we took an overnight bus from Chandni Chowk, Delhi, and reached Katra the next day, from where the trek begins. Hi, bole dao. I'm ready. This is my new kurti, which I am really liking a lot. So we checked into this hotel. This is a normal, very normal hotel, and then we freshened up. I got this leggings from Decathlon yesterday, and abhi we will leave. Jaldi jaldi nikal rahe because already बहुत ज़्यादा late हो गई. So before you start the trek, you need to register yourself. You will get various points where you can register yourself. I did not film anything while the registration process was going on because बहुत ज़्यादा rush थी and we were already late. Registration के बाद you can take an auto to the trek starting point where they will check your belongings and then you can finally start the trek. Started raining, but then it stopped. But it's humid. Let me tell you one thing. This is my third trek and I kind of underestimated this one. It is also not a trek because the track is a very well maintained, extremely well maintained मैं बोलूँगी, because इसमें गाड़ी भी चल रही है. But I thought it won't be that difficult, and boy, I was wrong. And I don't know what it is about the treks that I go on. मैं जब भी treks में जाती हूँ बारिश होती है, and this happened on my third trek as well. Almost halfway done. If there's one thing about me, I love McDonald's. So the moment I spotted this McDonald's on the way, I had to stop and मानो जैसे कि cold coffee पी के मेरी आत्मा को ही शांति मिल गई. Anyways, after this quick break, we continued with the journey. By this time, weather बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गया था and it was extremely foggy. And जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था हमें. And this is the middle point, the middle part of the trek. But हमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था, so we continued with the journey. Kilometers left and अभी ना ये ज़्यादा चढ़ाई भी नहीं है, so it's good. जैसे जैसे चढ़ाई बढ़ने लगी, it started getting difficult, which was expected, and the fog was also not helping. It took us around 6 hours to reach Bhavan. Almost reached only, I think 300 meters is left. And once we reached there, we quickly submitted our bags and phone and jaldi line में लग गए. We were waiting in the line for around 5 to 6 hours because we went on a weekend, which I think was a mistake from our side. And finally, around रात के 12 बजे हमारी दर्शन हुई. Post that, we quickly had dinner, collected our bags, and started walking because unfortunately it was extremely crowded with no place to even rest for a bit. We reached our hotel room around 6 in the morning and then we slept till noon. I'll be very honest, बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रही थी बारिश में चलना because it was extremely slippery. Anyway, we had a train back home the next day but it was not confirmed and हमारी दर्शन भी अच्छे से हो गई थी. So we decided to take an overnight bus from Katra to Delhi. So that was what we decided. We took the bus the same day and after checking out from the hotel, we went to a nearby Burger King and I tried their new coffee menu, which I really loved a lot. I never expected this good coffee from Burger King. We had lunch and then we boarded our bus to come back to Delhi. 2 days after we returned, we decided to go to Vrindavan. Now, Vrindavan was not a last minute trip, but I did not vlog much because I just don't feel like vlogging in mandirs. I feel like getting immersed in the vibe. I don't feel like picking up my phone, so मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा record नहीं किया, बस छोटे मोटे clips मैंने record किए here and there, and then I created this vlog. So here it is. So the first thing that we did when we reached Vrindavan is obviously had our breakfast, and उसके बाद हम लोग चले गए पहले बांके बिहारी मंदिर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो क्लोज हो गया था. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू निधि वन एंड दिस इज माई सेकेंड टाइम गोइंग टू निधि वन. लास्ट ईयर मैं गई थी अपने एक फ्रेंड के साथ एंड आई लाइक्ड इट सो मच. सो दिस टाइम आई वॉन्टेड मा टू गो देयर. If you don't know anything about Nidhivan, I highly encourage you to read about it or watch YouTube videos about it. I hope that you like what you read or what you watch on the internet about Nidhivan. It is so majestic. I really love it a lot. Anyway, so after that we went to Baki Bihari Mandir. हमारी अच्छे से दर्शन हो गई and then I went to try out this paneer chila which I really liked a lot, and I also tried the famous Vrindavan ki lassi. I love it. Hi, and it's day 2 in Vrindavan and today we'll be going to Mathura, and उसके बाद we don't know if time बचता है तो then we might go to somewhere else, but now we are leaving for Mathura and yes, here's Ma. Okay, so first we went to Birla Mandir Vrindavan and then we went to Mathura. But Mathura में first we went to Krishna Karagar and वहाँ पे we were not allowed to film or record anything. हमें phone submit कर देना था gate पे, so there's no clip. And then we went to Nandgaon and there also I did not record anything. And in the afternoon we returned to Vrindavan and then we went for lunch and we ate a lot. We were extremely hungry and by this time मेरी तबीयत भी थोड़ी बहुत ख़राब होना स्टार्ट हो गई थी because I was traveling for around a week, so I was a little bit tired. With this, we have reached the end of this video and this trip as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.